Test your knowledge on lean tool. Based on the previous video, there were 33 lean tool we discussed, out of which we have prepared 25 questions and 25 questions we are divided into 5 sections. We can take a look and all you need to do is that you need to connect the dot. So the set A set, it has 5 questions. For example, 5S, we know that is a workplace and keeping the place neat and clean and all that. Sort, set in order, shine, standardization, and sustain. ABC inventory is actually you're classifying the inventory by value. For example, high inventory value, medium inventory value, and low inventory value. And on, you know that whenever there is a it's signaling the problems or defects, whenever there is a defect, it can have a sound or light, right? That's called and on. Bottleneck is something like constraint or challenges in the process. And cellular manufacturing is similar machine, similar process. You're keeping it in the same place, like a U shape, so that it is easily identifiable and accessible. So we completed first 5 set of questions. Let's go to take a look on another set of questions. So we call it as a B set. So let's take a look. Continuous flow is something called uninterrupted flow. An ERP, enterprise resource planning, is basically it allows to have a streamlined process or operation. Gemba, actual state of the workplace. Go and see the workplace and actual state of the workplace. Hygienka is leveling of production process and all that. And Ocean country is having the same goal across the board from the top management till down. So that all will work on the same goal. We completed another set. Let's go to take another set called C section. Ishikawa is all about 6M, we know, man, machine, method, material, measurement, mother nature. Judoka is a one interesting concept in lean, which tell us that machine should stop by themselves if they are not working properly. Like same like one step is and done. Whenever there is a problem, you have a light system or sound system to indicate there is a problem. Another system is Judoka. Judoka is something machine is stopping by itself when there is an issue. Just in time, right part at the right time, in the right quantity to right place. Kaizen is change for better. In other words, called incremental change or incremental improvement. And Kanban is visual caught. Let's take a look on these set. 16 to 20th question, we're going to take a look. SMED, single minute of exchange of die, that is any changeover of the machine should take place within 10 seconds or less than 10 seconds or 10 seconds, sorry, 10 minutes, sorry. And 6 big losses like setup failure, OE loss, yield loss, defect, or anything scrap and all that is called 6 big losses. Smart, when you say smart is a goal, and standardized workplace, same practice across the board. And tag time is something like available time by demand. The last set we're going to take a look, E set. So TPM, total productive maintenance, is about the reliability and performance. Z stand for performance, right? Performance of the machine or equipment. VSM, value stream mapping, is all about value added, non-value added, value enabled, classifying that. Visual factory is basically if you're coloring up, for example, anything safety related, you might give green, anything fire related might give red, and so on. Zero quality control is basically you're aiming to reduce the defect to zero. 3M is all about Muri. So let's submit this one and it asks for the states. So let's go ahead and complete it. Okay, let's take a look on the answer. We got 100 out of 100. and the detailed version is here, and you will find the answers. Everything we have hit the right answer. You can see here. All tick is there, green tick, that signifies that we have done the right answer. So thank you so much. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day.